Welcome to Vintage Coin Op Restorations and one of our latest projects. Here we have a 1941 Keeney aerator. It's an incredible machine. It's amazing what people did, companies that is, the Keeney company here in Chicago did to earn 10 cents. It's been restored both cosmetically and mechanically. Basically, it is a aerial gun game in that you are shooting at an airplane flying across the screen, and at the same time we have the LED lights pretty bright on it so you don't see it. You also get the feeling that you're flying because right behind that original back glass is a tube, and it has clouds on it, and as you're playing the game this tube turns and it casts shadows on the back of this back glass here. Let's take a quick look inside so you can see what I'm talking about. And we'll open it up. Very, very cool. And as you can see, as nice as the machine is on the outside, the inside mechanisms have been completely redone and they look like almost new. However, we did add a little something, and that is the audio for this particular machine. And you'll see here's the projector unit inside the machine. Let's come around, take a sneak peek inside. You got this huge, beautiful gun on top in which you are chasing airplanes to fly across. You have 15 flights to attempt to get your high score. And we're going to coin it up in a second, but I need to turn some of these lights on because it's so bright in the shop. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So give me a minute and we'll get rid of some light. And there you have this effect of clouds flying. And you'll see that I have this dot here that I can move. Well, timer just went out. But that is what you're gonna aim at the airplanes that fly across the screen. So enough talking about this machine. Put in my 10 cents. And I'm gonna try to play this and video at the same time. So here we go. And when you hit, you'll have a bell and the lights on the back. You don't know where it's going to come from, so you're anticipating it. Gotta wait, there he goes. 140 points. And as we're shooting it, you can hear the rat-a-tat that's in the machine that is giving it the effects of the machine gun. All right, we got 2 more flights. All right, I think that was it. There you have it. Keeney's 1941 aerator. If you have one of these machines for sale, or you need one restored, or you're looking to purchase one, please give us a call. Put some lights back on. We're located in Chicago, Illinois. Our phone number is area code 630-624-7466. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see all the new machines coming to the warehouse. Thanks for watching.